open this folder, you can see the image. This is the image. Now, in this image, that's the one I want to use in my website. So come here. Where is the image? img folder slash the name of the image sample.png. That's all. This img, don't close it like this. No, don't close it. Just close it inside. So it's among the element I said you can't close. So let me refresh here. Wow, you can see the image here. So the image comes. You can see that is image. Save image as. Okay. If the image is too big, height, reduce the height 20 pixels. Let's see what will happen. You can see 50 pixels. You can see. What about width? Width to be 40 pixels. You can see. So that's a simple way to use. What if you want to use this image together with link? Just copy this. Ahref, the new page. What's that new page? Another .html. Now the code for your image, put it here. Then close that A. Save it. Come refresh. Yeah, click on it. Wow, see how it works. So that's how to link. That's how to use image as link. Height. Let me use height 20 pixels. Wow. So maybe it's a logo. You click on it, it takes us to another place. So that's how to use image as link. Okay. So in the next episode, I will explain much on how you can start with table, then we list. Later we go to CSS and style some pages. Later we start creating in websites, and we are going to use a real life project as our study. So what's only need is just subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me. Then anytime I release a new video, you will get notified. Alright, and also if you want to download this video and the former one I've done, just go straight away to this website, tutorial.webbuilder7.com. All the video I've done, you will see them there. Okay, thank you.